So if someone's coming in, you want to give it enough time for somebody to actually be in the shot. So if you, let's say you have a very short shot here, and this is, let's say you only have like that much, okay? That is so short in the context of the bigger edit. Now that's not really a short clip if it was a commercial or something, but in the context of this is an introduction and it's a 10-minute thing, that's a very short clip. So you want to make sure that you think about the rhythm of what you're editing, so it doesn't get out of hand. So you need to, if you only have a very, very short shot, that might not be the best shot to use, because the rhythm is just as important as the shot. So as you're editing, don't feel like, oh, I have this great shot, but it's in there for half a second. Then we put it in. Those are the shots. It's better to just cut those out. It takes a while to realize that, but it starts to feel better, and that has to do with the rhythm of the edit.